amazing illusion, never been done before. We built this metal ram where you can drive a car, a motorcycle, ATV over this ram. On the top of the ram, we created a metal frame, which is going to be a box. The box is going to be made out of newspapers, so it's just papers around this frame to create a big box. Moudini, the magician, will drive the ATV up the ram into this box that is made out of newspapers. Now keep in mind, before all this, we're going to spray the newspapers with gasoline, so it's very flammable. It could catch on fire any second. When the Moudini drives the ATV up into this box, watch it. It's going to be amazing, exciting, an illusion never been done before. Watched by people, a live audience are surrounded watching this, and we'll be doing this live. Enjoy it. Moudini just went over the ramp, and the crew is getting ready to prepare the newspapers. They're going to take a whole bunch of newspapers, glue them together to make a large sheet of newspaper. And the newspapers will be glued onto the big metal frame, creating a very large box made of newspapers. Okay, we're minutes away from the big action, from the big stunt. Here we go. The crew just almost finishing the big box made of newspapers. Just about this time, Moudini should be getting ready to go to the paramedics for his final checkup.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi. Okay. Yes, please. Make sure everything's okay.
And now the gasoline and the gasoline pumps and the spray guns are all brought to the crew, and crew will be spraying all of the newspapers until soaked and wet with gasoline. Keep in mind, this is very highly flammable. And now Moudini doing his final rehearsals on an ATV, and once the action starts, we cannot stop it. No way turning the clock back. Here we go. Watch it, the camera will never cut away. The audience are watching, they are speechless, they're frozen. They couldn't believe the whole thing went up in flames. And there you go, all of a sudden they realize that the ATV and the magician vanish. You can see above and below on all the sides, biggest mystery in magic. Where did he go?